What is going on, guys? Scape here, back again. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today I'm about to leave to go meet Messiah and Carnage, and basically we're gonna go make some YouTube videos, chill out and go see Gas Towers once again. I know I went there last week, but we're gonna go there again and make a video for Carnage's channel. And actually, whilst I'm here, I'm currently working on my website. This is gonna be my poster website. Actually, wait, let me get a different lens. Hey, okay, let's go into the shop. These are the posters. So I'm gonna have 5 to start with. A landscape one, portrait, and the rest are portrait. They're gonna be $10.99. They will be coming out in about 2 weeks. 2 weeks, okay? Follow my Instagram and you will see exactly when they're coming out.
Don't pay attention.
Breathing more snake. Go ahead, wait. Are you ready? Go on. Take my tea. Take my tea. Ooh, lighting is on fleek. Alright, so I've literally just finished filming with Carnage and Messiah. Didn't actually film what we did, but we went to the Gas Towers again, filmed another video. Carnage's video and Messiah's are going to be out next Sunday. And now I have a plan for the next few days and it is hectic. So let me break this down. So I'm currently in Oxford Circus and I'm about to go climb something somewhere. I'm gonna find something to climb. I hope this vlog isn't too short. It might be shorter than I want it to be, but you know, what can I do? Sorry if this vlog is shorter than usual, I apologize. But essentially, what my plan is, I'm gonna go do a climb now. Hopefully don't get caught by workers because it is a weekday. And then on Friday, I'm driving to France with Messiah to film another video. It's gonna be madness. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe for that. And then filming all day Friday, filming another vlog Friday night, then coming back on Saturday, editing all day, and then more editing on Sunday, and then Monday meeting at Nike, then editing all day, then another vlog out Friday. So that is my week, that is my plan. Hopefully it goes all to plan. Right now, let's do this. Right, so literally coming up to the climb now. It started raining, so hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully I can still climb it. We're gonna see what the workers are saying, but we're just gonna do this. There are workers on site as we speak. Alright, so there's workers on site. They're not around the back, so I'm gonna put the camera away now. I'm gonna try and get in. Hopefully, I'll see you on the inside. Guys, that was unbelievably sketchy. I climbed up to the fence, and as I climbed up, a worker literally walked under me. I don't know how he didn't see me, but I'm in the site. Look at this place, man, it's crazy. Guys, it's comedy. How the fuck did Comedy Shorts Gamer start playing? Literally as I'm in the site. Oh. So the time is 4:20, blaze it. I am gonna try and wait here till sunrise. I'm not sure what time the crane worker comes up, or if any of the workers come up. I'll have to wait and see. But yeah, I'm gonna try to stay there till sunrise, get a time lapse, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, sorry if this video was shorter than usual ones. I promise you next week we'll make up for that. If you can, like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want. Let me know if you like the video, let me know what you want to see, what you want to see more of. I'm gonna go try and get out of here without getting caught. It's been a great night. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
This is a Chucky Beat production.